Or is it just a hit and run?
And run.
Oh yeah. My turn.
Oh,
Wax
no.
on, wax on, wax.
Felipe's turn.
It's always scary when it's Felipe's turn.
Damn it.
That's what,
Stage fright.
that's what she said.
Got it.
Ah, fuck.
That's what she said.
Oh, that's luck.
No!
Oh shit.
Yeah, you got that, yeah!
Wait, round number 2, I'll get it.
Alright.
Oh god, he's scary.
Jump shot, stupid.
Oh, power in the kitchen. I got money to blow.
That was so scary.
So good.
No.
So scary!
Oh, my fuse is all twisty.
That's what she said.
Oh!
I don't even know how that works.
Penis was twisty. But she calls it a
Awesome.
fuse.
Ooh! Assist! Oh shit.
That's a little sketchy.
What's up with the police throw at Austin sticking out his pants?
Will you light one out your butt cheeks?
No, Anastasia might kill us.
Oh, yeah, do it! Austin, I'll pay you $5 to do that.
What if we get stuck in his cheek though? and goes up what if it hits the ground, reverses, goes up his butthole? Anastasia kills us.
Oh, fuck, that got in my hand.
Dude, let it go, let it go!
Yeah! Good one.
Oh.
Wait, so if I really do my butt cheeks, that'll...
I'll buy you one. Would you do that?
They call this one granny style.
I call that sketchy.
Oh!
Oh, fuck. You guys do it.
Oh! Wax them, wax them, wax!
Fireworks
Nick.
are horrible.
Nick.
Vic, get in my car, dude.
Alright,
Cameraman, down.
Go, wax them. Hey, you gotta be like this.
Oh shit! Jeez, your arm.
Stop, drop, and roll.
Jeez.
Keaton almost died.
I burned my sweatshirt.
I think I may have gotten that on tape. Make sure mom doesn't see it.
Or turn the D.
She'll kill you. Let me see.
3.
I'm never showing
I'm getting
anyone
good at this
video.
now.
That was pretty
Doing on
sketchy.
your butt cheeks then.
So we're doing my butt now?
Yeah,
Oh, dude.
Yeah, will you please do it?
please.
Are we actually gonna like set it in my butt?
Yeah, you
No, dude, do it. Put it in your penis hole. Hey, put it in the hole in your
We're,
penis.
we're definitely not doing this video to anybody.
I burned my fucking
As long as I can like only pull my pants out a little bit so I can like cover my nuts.
No. Put it in between your nuts.
Fuck you.
No, just put it in your mouth.
Shut up. That was stupid.
Go stupid. Go stupid.
I'm a little afraid now.
That last one was sketchy.
I want
Dude.
to see the video. Did you get that on video?
Maybe. I kind of freaked out.
Scary, dude.
Wait, did you
Look,
hold your hand?
I was
I'm trying to
mid
hold my hand
passcode.
first.
Hey, I was mid passcode. I was so scared. Look at that. Mid passcode. Heads up.
Oh,
A shot across the ground.
That, like,
I was trying to hold on to
been
it.
a bad situation.
I don't think it'll hurt my hand.
Yeah, it will.
Ah, let's test it.
Releasing my hand, I don't think so.
I'm telling you, you should land like 5 up and land all at the same time and have it be a dope ass.
How many do we have left?
Let's get that.
what happened?
Oh, fuck, Austin.
Shit.
Oh, shit. I was so close to Austin's face.
I don't think that one went on.
No, I did. Same time as Keenan's.
Man, I'll try to be bad.
Butthole, please.
Bung-
Butthole, butthole, butthole. Bungolio.
Hey, we're going to Cornolio. Let me see me for my bubble.
I feel like I should try and hold it out of my hand first.
Yeah, good idea,
Not
dude.
do that because that hurts like hell.
Yeah, it shoots sparks.
Fucking burned a hole.
Yeah,
in
it's-
my
it's
sweatshirt.
gonna-
No, the sparks fly down in your hand. So that's really hot. Goodness gracious.
My hand's freezing. This is a long video. Like 5 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm just waiting for the butthole scene and then I'm taking it off.
That's what she said.
Can we do the thing where Ken's running out and you do the firework right behind them?
And wait, say something for when those kids come back and we'll shoot them. What?
Ian, this is on video.
Starting point guard for Team Win. Keenan!
Yeah, Austin, it won't hurt, dude.
Yeah, it will.
I had to backhand it.
Oh no, it won't hurt though. Told you, dude.
Boom! Sorry.
I'm done.
Why, Janet? Why? Stella!
I need a Sharpie. That's not
Are
there.
we still doing s'mores or we'll see?
Do you still have one?
I'm kind of scared about the other ones in there.
Do you have anything left? After
I
this?
have like 100 in my bag in the house.
That your mom took?
What?
That your mom took?
No, in this house.
Oh, in this house?
Let's do half of them. We should go do them on the beach.
I'm gonna stop videotaping.